Now we shall pass on to question number 23. This is a different problem than the other problems what we have done so far. Here, of course, the fluctuating capital method is followed, but what happens? The goodwill is written off, that we should remember. Fluctuating capital method, what it is, goodwill appear in the books 30,000, assuming that the fluctuating capital method was necessary journal entry when the partners decide to write off the entire amount of existing goodwill. Write off, written off. When they share it, the goodwill amounted to capital account. When it is written off, the reverse, the capital account to goodwill account. When it is written off, capital account, the date given is 1st April 2018. In this problem, it is given 1/4/2018. On the date, they write off the goodwill. Writing off goodwill means விட்டுறது. goodwill share பண்ணிக்காம விட்டுறது. So, for that, what should be the journal entry? There are two subdivisions. The first subdivision, it is A division. For the first subdivision, who are the two partners? Sam and Jose. Sam's capital account. Sam's capital account data. Joe's capital account data. To goodwill account. This is the journal entry for the goodwill is written off. Goodwill written off. In the other problems, the goodwill was shared by the old partners. Remember it. In this problem, goodwill is written off. Written off means விட்டுட்டாங்க. போன சம்லெல்லாம் the goodwill வந்து அவங்க டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இங்க விட்டுறாங்க. In that case, the capital account credited is going to the debits. So what amount is divided among themselves? Rupees 30,000. That is 30,000. This amount 30,000 is written off in the ratio 3:2. The ratio is 3:2. Therefore, 3/5, 2/5. Simplify it. 6,000, 3 into 6,000, 18,000, and 2 into 6,000, 12,000. So, 18,000, 12,000, 30,000. Goodwill written off. This is in case of division A. What about division B? Not the entire amount is written off, only 20,000 is written off. The same thing. Sam's capital account. Data. Joe's capital account data. The amount written off is only 20,000 to goodwill account. This is only 20,000. This 20,000 must be divided according to this ratio. So 20,000 into 3:2, that is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. This is as usual, 4 5s are 24,000. So 3 times 4,000, 12,000, and 2 times 4,000, 8,000. Here, this is Sam's capital account is 12,000 and Joe's capital account is 8,000. We should write. What should be the narration? Goodwill is written off. Goodwill here is written off, but the remaining amount is what happened to the remaining amount. It does not happen. Therefore, as usual, you write goodwill written off. If full amount is written off, we can write like this, but only 20,000 is written off, goodwill written off to the extent of rupees 20,000. You should mention it. If the entire amount is written off, you can write goodwill written off. But only a partial amount is written off, therefore to the extent of 20,000 we can write. Once again I repeat it. So far, the problems we have done from 18, I go from 18 to 22, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, the 5 problems are how to divide the goodwill. For that, what we wrote, either bank account debtor to the capital account, bank account debtor to the current account, we wrote. It was divided among the partners. But in this problem number 23, it is just opposite. The amount of goodwill was not divided among the partners, it was written off. Put it up. So, those entries bank to capital account or bank to current account will be a reverse one here. Since the instruction is here fluctuating capital method, the capital account will go to debit and the goodwill come to the credit, the reverse. Here the two partners are Sam and Jose, therefore Sam's capital account debtor to Joseph's capital account debtor to goodwill account. This is the same thing here. In this, the total amount 30,000 was written off, therefore 30,000 into 3 by 5 into 2 by 5, that amount is written here. But here a partial amount only to the extent of 20,000. Therefore, this 20,000 is divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2. Since the return of amount for Sam is 12,000 and Jose is 8,000. Because 20,000 into 3 by 5 into 20,000 into 2 by 5. Since the instruction is given here, fluctuating method is followed, we are using this capital account. If it is fixed capital method is followed, we will write here Sam's current account, Joe's current account, Sam's current account, Joe's current account, we will write like that. Okay, so we have seen so far the small problems and the comprehension problem or the comprehensive problems, we will see it tomorrow in the next class. Okay, thank you.